going to do your bubble volcano. Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go. And it's starting to react. Whoa, watch out. What did you start? Oh, look what's going on here. It's a billion bubble volcano. Whoa, they're just going crazy up there. Whoa, look at that. Billions of bubbles. Billions. Look at you, that's awesome. Billions of bubbles. Now, would you put your hand above right here? Feel it? Can you feel any heat up there? Don't actually touch it. The warmth is coming because the molecules are rubbing against each other and making all the things happen. So wonderful. What a great scientist. Let's give her a great big round of applause. Good job. Or anything like that, because the water is kept inside here by the vacuum. It's being held up inside here. Of course, you cannot bring the card. The card might stay right there if it works correctly. Watch close. The card might stay right there. Yeah, it stayed. Now, of course, you can't go like this, because that would be like that. But you can. Right? You're right. So if you work with turtles and whales and stuff out in the ocean, you can find some wonderful books about animals here. Well, yeah, sure, go. There you go, round and round, and watch it happen again. Ready, guys? Countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. That's inertia. Can you say inertia? At a science show, you got to watch super close. Scientists have developed different kinds of metals that do all sorts of cool things. What shape do we have here?
A circle.
A circle? What? And it stays in place. It's staying in place. We're able to swing and swing. Wait 1 second. What happens is inertia's holding that. Can you say inertia? And then all of a sudden your dad comes and really pushes. And you do not fall off. And why do you not fall off? Because of inertia. It looked like extreme juggling, but it was really amazing. Put it up above there. That's great. And we'll watch it lift. Now here's a test we can do to find out that it is indeed lift. We'll get that to stabilize. It'll stay still for a second. Now we're going to